Greetings everyone, my name is Ifat Azmi and today I'm going to talk about my final project for GIS 510. For my final project, I want to find the potential sites for developing a hemp yarn manufacturing factory. In 2018, Farm Act bill has legalized the production and use of industrial hemp. This has resulted in a surge of demand and interest in hemp cultivation and hemp industries. This project wants to find the suitable sites for developing a medium to small category hemp yarn manufacturing factory in North Carolina, which will be using local raw materials. Geographically, pigment areas are suggested to be more favorable towards hemp growth. In North Carolina, a hemp farm named Maryhill Hemp Farm already exists within Orange County. It lies near the border between the Alamance and Orange County. Considering this, the project is focused towards these two counties. To find the factory sites, the first and most important task is to locate the zones that allows the industrial developments. For example, we cannot use residential land or residential area or park or forested areas for that purpose. In addition to that, there are several other factors that control the site selection processes, such as proximity towards transportation facilities or raw material sources, and etc. Based on this, the first question for the project is, where are the potential areas for setting up a hemp yarn manufacturing factory of at least 5 acres within these counties? To answer this, the project will use the raster data of land use and land cover map that was collected from NLCD, and using different tools and extracting data from raster image, it will result into a new polygon layer that shows the probable location. The image over here shows the land use land cover map or the raster image for the studied area. As you can see, there are several classes or categories of the land use pattern. Based on this, the project extracted different polygon layers that shows the best possible locations that allows the industrial developments. That is shown over here with the red polygons. Along with that, it will look at different other criteria that needs to be met for the best possible site selection. The criteria are it has to be within 3 kilometers of major roads for transportation. It has to be within 2 kilometers of existing railway for the same reason. It has to be within 2 kilometers of existing major water bodies such as stream or rivers. It has to be within a kilometer of agricultural farmlands for future prospects. It cannot be within 2 kilometers of public schools. And finally, it has to be within a maximum distance of 8 kilometers from the Maryhill Hemp Farm, which will be the initial supplier for raw materials. To meet this criteria and for further analysis, the project will look at different data such as the borders of the counties, the location of the hemp farm, the agricultural land areas, and different polyline data for railway, roads, and streams, and of course the results from question 1, the locations. Using different analysis techniques such as buffer and intersection and others, the answer of question 2 will result into a new polygon layer that will show the suitable locations. Finally, the last and the third question is to find the area for the individual sites, and based on that, recommend the best possible sites. For question 1, a web map was built, which is shown here. So feel free to have a look at that, and thanks for listening.